Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to cancel Shopify plan. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Shopify admin panel and then click on settings, and here you'll find this plan option. So select this, and as you can see right now I'm in trial version, and if you're a paid user then you will get this deactivate or cancel plan option here. So you have to click on deactivate or cancel plan, and before you go, review these steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article and then select the reason why you're canceling your Shopify and click on continue, and now enter your Shopify account password, and then you have to click on deactivate now. So this is how we can cancel Shopify plan. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.